Hello everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about image segmentation using image segmenter app. This example shows how to use the image segmenter app to segment an image. Here by using the image processing toolbox, we can perform image processing, analysis and algorithm development. In Matlab, image processing toolbox provides a comprehensive set of reference standard algorithms and workflow apps for image processing, analysis, visualization and algorithm development. We can also perform image segmentation, image enhancement, noise reduction, geometric transformations and image registration and 3D image processing by using this Matlab image processing toolbox. Also, this image processing app let you automate common image processing workflows. We can interactively segment image data and compare image registration techniques and batch process large data sets. Visualization functions and apps let you explore images, 3D volumes and videos, adjust contrast, create histograms and manipulate region of interest, that is ROIs. You can accelerate your algorithms by running them on multi-core and GPU. Many toolbox functions support C, C++ code generation for desktop prototyping and embedded vision systems. Now we are going to see about image segmentation using image segmenter app. What is image segmenter app? Here, by using this image segmenter app, the segment an image by regions. The distribution of this image segmenter app. The image segmenter app lets you segment an image using this active contour algorithm. By using this active contrast algorithm, using this app, you first create an initial segmentation that defines seed locations and then segment the image iteratively. First, we are going to see about one small example, image segmentation using the image segmenter app. This example shows how to use the image segmenter app to separate an image. The image segmenter app offers several segmentation methods, including various threshold options and the flood fill, graph cut, and the active contour algorithm. Using this app to segment an image, you can try these options individually or use them in combination until you achieve the segmentation you want. This is a segmenter app to load the image. What is the command to load the image in Matlab command window? This part of the example shows how to open the image segmenter app and load the image. This is the command. This is a read an image into the Matlab workspace. The example use dicom read. This is a dicom read function to import CT scan data of need point. These example segments and their three bony areas of the image from the surrounding of the soft tissue. You can see the segment of bone from the soft tissue, the one first part, second part, third part. Now to get the image in Matlab command window, just you type to get the image. You see the workspace here. After enter, our image is showing here. There are three segments are there, first one and second one and the third one. These three parts only we are going to segment. This is our objective. Next, you open the image segmenter app. This is a command to get the image segmenter app. Now we will get the image segmenter app. After that, you have to import the image using Matlab workspace. This is the image segmenter app window. Just you click load image from our workspace. You select this one, I variable variable is I512. Now we will get the image in this data browser and history browsers. In these three parts only we are going to segment the image. Now this illustrates the segmentation options, image being segmented. You see the option, this image you are going to segment. This terminal shows the segmentation in process. This history steps in the segmentation. First the load part and segmentation and load part. These are the segmentation options. These are the segmentation options: threshold, graph cut, and fine circles, and the draw free and flood fill options are also available here. Next point, the here the segment the image in the image segmenter. There are this image segmenter app provides the following segment tools. First one, auto cluster. This is the first one, auto cluster, and the threshold, graph cut, fine circles, and draw free and flood filled and fine circles. The five important functions are available in image segmenter app. What is auto cluster here? Auto cluster is an automatic technique where the app groups image features into a binary segmentation. This option is only available if you have the statics and machine learning toolbox. Then threshold. This is also an automatic technique where you satisfy an intensity value that you want to isolate. This technique can be useful if the object you want to segment the image have similar pixel intensity values, and these values are easily differentiated from your other areas of image. Then third method, segmentation process by using this graph cut, a semi-automatic technique that can segment foreground and background. We can segment the foreground and background. This technique does not require careful seed point, and you can refine the segmentation iteratively. And then the segmenter is a draw freehand. This is one of the manual technique where you draw regions outlining the objects you want to segment. By using the mouse, you can draw rectangles, you can draw ellipse, you can draw polygons, and you can use freehand shapes. Then the fifth one is a flood fill. This is also automatic technique where you specify the starting points and methods, segments, areas, and with similar intensity values. The final one is a fine circles. You can find the fine circles, and it is also automatic technique where you specify the minimum and maximum diameter of the circular objects you want to detect. Then first you start with the threshold options by using the segment using threshold technique. First you have what is the first step is you click threshold. Here this is the method is there. Here one drop down list, global threshold, manual threshold, and adaptive threshold is there. First I start with threshold. This one you set the value 270. You can also select the threshold value. Then after giving threshold value, create mask means in this manner. What are the image you have to select? This is mask. Foreground polarity back and show binary. You can also adjust the opacity and show binary. You click means it will happen. Then create mask. In this manner you mark the image, the threshold image, by using these marks. Also you can draw by using this graph cut method. This is one of the another method, new segmentation. By using graph cut method, you can select the threshold. You can draw this one. By using this manner, you can segment the image. Now you can apply show subregions and erase and markings are there. Mark the background also there. If you also you can adjust the show the binary value. You can select this one, show the binary value it will take. In this manner also another type of segmentation. So mark the background with different color you can select. These are the background image you need. Then you create mask means it will show your graph cut method. What are the background only it shows. It shows the background. Then another new segmentation process by using these fine circles. You have to find the circle. Now you here also you can find this circle points. And the next one you can see the this is a background and a foreground image processing. Based on that, you can select the segmentation part. You can create, and finally you can export the data in the form of Matlab function. Just you click export, you will get the refined Matlab segmentation file. By clicking this eval function, you will get the next one. Load image from workspace. By using auto cluster option, you can select this one. Finally, you will export this form. Export this one by using this generate function. Here auto generated by image segmenter app. Here by automatically you will get the Matlab file for this image segmentation using image segmenter app. Also you can export the image by using this app. Export images. It may be masked image or black and white. You can also export the image into the workspace. In this manner, you can segment the image by using image segmenter app. By using auto cluster option, there are auto threshold, graph cut, fine circles method. There are lot of segmentation methods are available in my image segmenter app. Thank you.